50 is underway here at the time of 8:50 p.m. 20 seconds of fully pre-programmed instructions plus some human player assistance in the form of direct fuel scoring coming at you here. 36 points on the board and counting for red, with 7 points and a few more maybe coming for blue. That's the end of autonomous. 41-10 favoring red, and that means blue will have our first offensive shift over here on the hub side of things. There's Team Chuck, 21-47, scooping up whatever fuel they can into the hopper on the front of their robot. They're going to jump up and over the bump that separates the neutral zone from the Blue Alliance zone, and then they got to back up quite a ways actually to get their trajectory correct. Actually, still haven't really dialed it in for trying to get that fuel into the hub. Only a few pieces scored there at 1 point apiece. And right as the shift change takes effect, the Red Alliance is just ready to go over there. Spartabots and NRG just dousing the hub in fuel. And then here comes a second volley from NRG with still 8 seconds left in the shift. They might have time for a third one. We'll see what they can make happen. It looks like they're actually just going to jostle fuel to save it for later. And back over to the Blue Alliance side of the field we'll go with a live score showing 129 red to 18 blue. Just a slow trickle of a few more scoring elements coming in here for blue as our shift starts winding down. And right as you hear the sound effect for the shift change, the Red Alliance is just ready to go. Quite a few pieces of fuel. It looks like that was maybe 15 to 25, somewhere in that range. Score goes up to 165, and they're not quite done yet. Remember that they will have offensive scoring capabilities through the remainder of the match by having shift number 4, and then end game is, of course, everybody's game. There's our end game whistle as both hubs light up. And now we see the dual offense end game between NRG and Chuck in red and blue, respectively. Chuck still dialing in a little bit of their trajectory over here, but overall, things are looking all right. And there's NRG, just well-tuned machine as we've seen all weekend. They're getting some help there from the Spartabots out of Sammamish as well, 29-76. Match expires with a whole lot of points on the board, and probably a few more to tally up here at the end of the match. We'll be right back. Match number 50 results are certified. The Red Alliance wins that one, 297 points to the Blue Alliance's 53, and 4 ranking points for each of those Red Alliance teams. Once more, 3 for the win, 1 for the Energize. NRG holds on to the second ranked position. We'll get match number 51 queued up for you here in just a few moments.